welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. My name's Layla and today we're making blackened chicken Caesar salad. So we're going to start with our romaine lettuce. I'm going to put it on our plate. And then we have our grated parmesan cheese. And then some croutons. And then our blackened chicken. Now we're cutting our blackened chicken. It's blackened with Cajun seasoning and paprika. The Cajun seasoning is a little bit spicy, so if you don't want it as spicy, you add more paprika, and then you sear it in a pan until it reaches 165 degrees. Now that our blackened chicken Caesar salad is done, we hope you enjoy. This will be available in Cafe and Bistro Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thanks for watching.